Yeah, so let's talk a little bit more about the designs that you just mentioned. You all have a backyard studio, which is around 120 square feet, and you all are selling that for $24,900. You'll also have a larger ADU or additional dwelling unit, which can vary from 360 square feet to 900 square feet. On the lower end, that costs around $79,900 or $80,000. Those are pretty good prices compared to some of the other ADUs I've seen coming out of California. What sort of reaction or excitement have y'all seen in the market when y'all propose this to the people in California?
I mean, we started a very low level of marketing at the beginning of the year, and we kind of had to turn it off shortly afterwards because we were inundated. We got within the first 2 weeks, I think we ended up having about 70 inquiries each day. And that was obviously an early stage in our development. So it was almost let's turn the tap on to see what the reaction is, and then just to know that the demand is there, and sure enough it was. So we turned down kind of our spend on marketing at that point. So but even just from that short period of time, we made pre-sales close to $4 million worth. So we've effectively booked our at least first 2 months of production. So
that's
yeah.
Awesome. Congrats.
Yeah, thank you.
So have you all sold any final units yet? Have you all shipped it out, or it's still not at that point yet?
No, we have our first printer being assembled in our facility at the moment. So we expect to be starting production in the next few months. So hopefully by the back end of the summer, we'll be producing what will be one unit, one module per day off of the one printer, and then we hope to add a further a second and a third printer as well, so that by the end of the year we're producing 3 units each day just in this facility here.
So when you say producing each unit, you mean producing the shell of the unit, and then the finishing is done later at your facility, or do you all do that somewhere else?
It all done in our facility, yes. So the rate will be one being produced each day, as in we'll continue that same speed with the rest of the assembly line as well. So as one is being printed each day, it'll also be one being shipped each day as well.
Got it. Okay. So the backyard studio doesn't seem to have any plumbing integrated into it. That's just purely just electrical hookups.
That's right. Yeah. Yeah.
But the ADU would have a bathroom and a mini kitchen.
Yes. Yeah. So, I mean, a little bit of the background in that strategy is, I guess, design and marketing strategy. And I guess I can't say off the record, but if
you don't want me to include in the video, you don't just tell me.
We'll see how it comes out. The 120 square feet is based on the fact that most cities, municipalities class that size as more of a shed size, which means that permitting wise, the homeowners wouldn't need to have a permit for those. And we've actually built a number of those size units over the last few years from people needing an office space or a workout space or a music studio or whatever they need, and it means that they can avoid the, I guess, delays from any red tape of having to permit a structure for their backyard. So keeping under that 120 square feet alleviates that time constraint in the process. But yeah, so nothing required for the structure. Obviously, check with your local city. But for any electrical connection, then that would have to obviously go through what would normally be an over-the-counter kind of permit, and the same for adding air conditioning. So yeah, and I guess if someone wanted to add a kitchen and or a bathroom, I mean, it's a very small unit to be able to do that too. But yeah, we kind of have designed it and marketed it as providing, yeah, an office space or a workout space, or just an extra 120 square feet that is kind of hassle free from a construction and permitting point of view. So